Hi everybody, it's Kathy from Huckleberry Herbs and Art. I hope you're doing well. This video is to show you the close-up of the Heartfelt Creations December 2021 release, Moments in Time. Haven't seen one like this for a while and it's very cute. Has some images that I'm glad to have. So it is about time, and Heartfelt Creations, for those of you that don't know, American-made papers, quite thick, beautiful crafting papers. You have papers where you can cut them out and already have a card started. Beautiful borders. Lovely layout pages, reminiscent of some things we saw a few years ago. I really like this with the clocks, combined with Heartfelt always does such a great job with roses, and I really like the almost antiqued colors and muted tones that are in this grouping. Again, cards that you can cut out, and then tags that you can stamp with your own sentiments. The other side, a beautiful layout page. Love how they tuck the clock in here into the corner of the roses, and then the clocks appear in ghosting throughout. Some nice tag page. You get 2 of each, and these ones do not have sentiments. They're perfect for any time of year. And then think about it, you know, okay, it could be New Year's that you're making layouts for or scrapbooks for the holidays, and when you get to New Year's you add them. It could be birthdays, right? It could be somebody's anniversary or a retirement. That was a beautiful layout page. I didn't say much about that one. It had it on the borders. This is a beautiful layout page too. And this is the size of your stamps. They're very big. And I love these tones here. This is like this pinkish, wine-ish color. And how nicely they blended it in to the getting to the point where they're violets and stuff, but these antique dusty roses mixed in. Beautiful color matching, and a little bit of ghosting on these pages. This is cute. Lots of sentiment tags that you can pop onto things, and again, it's time, so it fits many different occasions. Here's a nice big alarm clock. Oh boy, that's my favorite thing on the planet. And the detail in this one on the corners, on the edges, just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Lovely, lovely colors and images. Here's a whole bunch of clocks. Is it diagonal? Is it straight? Horizontal? Vertical? Yeah, very nice. I like how they did this. They mixed it in with the roses and made a beautiful border with the lace popping out on this side. And then, of course, a lovely border around the whole thing with lots of decor mixed in. This is how they did their stripes for this with the little clocks. Very cute. These are your pages that your dies will just cut out for you. So if you don't have time to color, or you want to make one great big card and you don't have the stamp, you just have the dies to cut out the shapes, then these pages are for you. And on the other side, another layout page with the clocks acting almost as flowers themselves, the way they're popping out of the blossoms. A little sentiment in the corner and a clock ghosting in the background. This is another one of the pages that you can cut out, and they even have the hands on the clocks so that you can put some pop-up on the back of those and really make it look three-dimensional. A nice sort of moss, sagey green. Very nice. Smaller versions of the larger cards and the smaller ones as well. And a really nice dusty rose. Very pretty. 6x6s of the larger layouts. A nice tending towards violet. More of the 6x6s. A baby pink. And then their tag page, which this one does not have sentiments in it. So you could pop some of the sentiments from the other places, or you could stamp and emboss. The stamps and dies include Elegant Moments timepiece. That's your clock, and like I said, that's a big stamp. And there's the die that goes with it, and the sizes. That's so pretty. I'm getting very into Victorian more again. And that's a nice detailed image. Okay, and then Simple Moments timepiece, the die and the stamp. There's your sizes, your little hands, and a sentiments one that goes well with it. So in the shape of the clock, so you can keep up with your circles. And there's some sentiments. Beautiful collection. Nice way to start off the new year with this set. And hopefully you're having a vacation to start the year, or something to look forward to as far as gathering all your pictures from the upcoming celebrations and making books and presents for people. Hope all's well. I'll be back soon as I can. Till next time, this is Kathy from Huckleberry Herbs and Art. God bless.